Screw an intro, let's get straight into it. Our first exercise to kick off our full body workout routine are gonna be body walkouts, 2 push-ups for 10 repetitions. This exercise is gonna be effective at hitting your chest, a lot of your upper chest as well, a very lagging area in most guys' physiques, as well as your deltoids and your triceps. It's important that you make sure that when you're going down for that push-up, you're not just pushing your body weight up, but rather actually activating and squeezing your chest together as if you were trying to get your hands to meet while you're pushing your body up. This will maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Exercise number 2 we've got here are the pike push-ups for 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Again, this is another exercise that's really gonna help you to hit that upper chest, again, a very lagging area in most physiques. Once you're at the bottom of the repetition, you wanna hold that position to increase time under tension again, and also to add that much level of difficulty with an isometric hold. Exercise number 3 is going to be to focus on hitting that upper back. We're gonna be getting 3 sets of 30 seconds straight of dumbbell reverse flies. Now, the best way to execute this exercise, as you're able to see in this demonstration, is to focus on retracting your scapula so you can maximize the recruitment of those upper back muscles. You never just want to think about bringing those arms back, you want to rather think about activating the upper back and bringing those elbows past the horizontal plane to maximize the contraction of the back. Exercise number 4, we're going to be getting 8 repetitions of supinated curls, but we're also going to be adding in 5 seconds on the negative. So while you're focusing on squeezing, flexing, and contracting your biceps as hard as you possibly can while you're bringing the dumbbell up, you're gonna increase time under tension again, maximize the eccentric portion of the lift by bringing those dumbbells down for a total count of 5 seconds on every single repetition. Exercise number 5 here, we're moving on to more of the lower body. We're gonna be getting sets of 20 repetitions of some dumbbell front squats. When you're going down on each and every repetition, you're actually gonna get to the bottom position and you're gonna add in an isometric hold so that we can, again, as always, increase time under tension, but also so we can minimize the stretch reflex, which is often noticed when people tend to bounce out of the position, thus making the exercise a lot easier. Add in the iso hold at the bottom of the rep for all 20 repetitions. Those quads and glutes are gonna be burning. Now quickly, before we get into the next exercise, I actually wanted to show you guys one of the coolest home workout pieces of equipment that I've been yet to see. This right here is the X3 bar. Now, as you're able to see me perform these video demonstrations, this is an incredibly versatile piece of equipment. This bar's quality, first off, the texture, the grit, and the strength is phenomenal, combined with the elasticity of the rubber bands, which increases the demand of every exercise because of that strength curve being a lot more challenging than a traditional dumbbell or barbell exercise. The X3 bar brings a whole new level of resistance training in the comfort of your own home. Now, if you want to get your hands on the phenomenal X3 bar, like this thing is solid, quality product, tons of exercises, be sure to use our code right here. There will be a link that's down in the description. Get yourself $75 off of one of the coolest home fitness products that I have been yet to see. I know everybody's sort of having to go through a quarantine period, so if you're looking for something new to add to your home workouts, I highly recommend the X3 bar. Again, code right here for $75 off. Link will be in the description. Let's get into the rest of the exercises. Exercise number 6, to really focus on hitting that posterior chain as well as the hamstrings and the glutes, we're gonna be getting 30-second sets, 3 sets again, of the dumbbell swings. While you're bringing that dumbbell up, you actually wanna stop when those arms get to parallel with the ground. Once you're in this position, you wanna focus on squeezing and contracting your glutes to truly take advantage of the exercise's purpose. Now, what you want to avoid is actually performing squat repetitions. Rather, you want to be thinking about strictly hinging at the hips. Keep those knees slightly bent. Now let's get into the next exercise. Exercise number 7, to again address the quads as well as to actually demand a lot out of your glutes and hamstrings. We're going to be getting 20 repetitions of dumbbell front lunges. Now, the further the step that you take while you're performing the rep will actually begin to incorporate more of your hamstrings and more of your glutes. Now, when you take a little bit more of a shallow repetition or a shallower stride, that's what's gonna help you to hit your quads a little bit more. So if you feel your quads are underdeveloped, go ahead and take that narrow stance. If you're looking to focus on hitting your hamstrings and glutes, go ahead and take that wider stance and ensure that knee is always over the foot. You don't want it to sway too far to the left over the knee or too far to the right, as this will cause a lot of stress on that knee joint. Exercise number 8, we're now into the abdominals. We're gonna be getting some lying X raises. So what we're doing here is raising our right arm as well as our left leg simultaneously and touching at the top. This is gonna create a cross-dynamic movement that is gonna be a lot more challenging than the traditional abdominal exercises. From this position, you wanna bring your arm and your leg down in a controlled manner and then switch from a left arm to a right leg, reach at the top, and you wanna focus on trying to bring those shoulder blades off of the ground while you're reaching for the foot so you can maximally contract those abdominals. And again, we're gonna be getting 3 sets of 20 repetitions. Exercise number 9, to finish off the abdominals, one of my favorite exercises, we're gonna be performing 16 repetitions of raised plank elbow to knee. knee. Now, when you're bringing your right knee towards that left elbow, always you want to focus on squeezing your abdominals. This is going to be an exercise that is great at hitting both the upper and lower abdominal areas, but also allowing you to hit those obliques so you can begin to develop those nice V lines. You want to do this in a slow and controlled manner, prevent those hips from sagging. Let's get on to the finisher. Our finishing exercise, we're going to be getting 3 sets of 15 repetitions of a combo movement. Now, the first movement in this exercise is going to be a quick squat, get down, bounce back up. You're going to be coming through with 2 uppercuts as fast and as hard as you possibly can. Try to bring those fists at least 6 inches away from your chin. And then after that, you're going to begin to instantly move into 2 hooks as hard as you possibly can. Now, the goal here is going to be to throw as explosively as you possibly can and transition from the squat to the uppercut to the hooks as quickly as possible. As soon as your first set of 15 is done, rest 30 seconds, jump back into your second set, rest another 30 seconds, and finish off this whole routine with your third and final set. So there you guys go. That concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Now, if you made it this far in the video, be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know exactly what these are. So 1, I can see who made it this far, and 2, we can throw off everybody else in the comment section when they're asking, why is everybody commenting resistance bands down in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed this home workout routine. Stay safe, stay healthy, get fit at home, and enjoy your quarantine with Barbarian Body workouts. Be sure to smash that like button down below, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for weekly workout tips and nutrition tips that you will not want to miss. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'll see you in the next video.